Picture this. You're spending extra money on premium olive oil, believing it's pure and healthy. But what if I told you there's an 81% chance that bottle in your kitchen is actually something else entirely? What if that healthy oil could actually be harming you and your family? That expensive extra virgin olive oil might actually be a blend of cheaper oils, or worse. It could contain harmful substances that put your family at risk. Today, we're exposing the 10 countries where olive oil fraud is most prevalent, backed by recent EU investigations and scientific data. I'll show you exactly what to look for when buying olive oil. And by the end of this video, you'll know a simple test to spot fake olive oil in your own kitchen. More importantly, you'll learn which trusted sources actually deliver the real thing. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could help you make safer choices for you and your family. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share a simple trick to identify fake olive oil and give you practical tips on how to choose the best oil, so you can avoid falling into these traps. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure to watch the video all the way to the end because, at the very end, I'm going to reveal a secret that will allow you to test if olive oil is natural without the need for any tools or equipment. You're going to love this tip. Are you ready to uncover the truth about what's really in your kitchen pantry? Let's dive in. Unsurprisingly, olive oil is the most counterfeited food product in the world. According to industry experts, up to 80% of olive oil distributed worldwide is fraudulent or tampered with. This is about your health and safety, not simply losing money. Olive oil fraud is so common that it has surpassed the illicit markets for wine and honey. Recent investigations have shown a worrying trend of fraud across many nations. The implications are severe. Frequent intake of contaminated olive oil may cause nutritional deficiencies and increase the risk of chronic illnesses. This impacts everyone who consumes olive oil, whether they're cooking for their family, trying to eat properly, or just getting what they paid for. Why is olive oil so often targeted for fraud? It's a high-value commodity in great demand, which makes it tempting to counterfeiters. The intricacy of its manufacture, the several grades, and the difficulty of determining quality all contribute to its vulnerability. Producing authentic extra virgin olive oil is expensive and time-consuming, giving fraudsters the chance to flood the market with inferior and occasionally harmful goods in exchange for larger earnings. Now that we've established the gravity of olive oil fraud, let's look at the nations where care should be used while purchasing olive oil. We'll begin with the least concerned and go to the worst offenders. Argentina. Argentina may be a surprise on this list, but it is emerging as a significant olive oil producer, mostly servicing its own market. However, around 17% of Argentine olive oil has been discovered to include lower-grade vegetable oils. This kind of adulteration often occurs when firms attempt to decrease costs while meeting increasing demand. Check for reliable certificates and avoid exceptionally cheap pricing to verify you're obtaining real Argentine olive oil. 9th. Morocco. Morocco has witnessed a substantial increase in olive oil production in recent years, thanks to its sun-drenched orchards that produce high-quality oil. Unfortunately, greater output has led to fraud. Approximately 15% of Moroccan olive oil, particularly in the budget range, has been discovered to be combined with cheaper vegetable oils, owing to a lack of strong regulatory control in export markets. For a safer option, check for Moroccan olive oil with reliable certificates. 8. Greece. Greece is recognized for its ancient olive orchards and rich culinary traditions, which produce some amazing olive oil. However, fraud affects around 20% of Greek olive oil on the worldwide market. Common fraudulent tactics include mixing olive oil with cheaper vegetable oils or mislabeling lower-quality oils as extra virgin. These adulterations not only lower the oil's quality, but they also pose health hazards. To prevent contaminated items, purchase from reliable suppliers and make sure the oil has PDO marks. 7. Portugal. Portugal, noted for its terraced olive trees and rich history, produces less olive oil than some of its Mediterranean neighbors. Yet fraud remains a problem. Approximately 10% of Portuguese olive oil on the worldwide market may be contaminated, sometimes combined with lower quality oils or containing undisclosed additives. These procedures are intended to reduce expenses, which have an impact on the quality and integrity of the oil. While the danger is minor, it is prudent to choose well-known brands and check for certificates to prevent subpar items. 6. Tunisia. Tunisia is one of the world's leading olive oil exporters. While majority of its oil is of good grade, the cheap sector presents a different picture. Approximately 15% of Tunisian olive oil is blended with cheaper vegetable oils such as sunflower or soybean. These cost-cutting methods confuse customers and may cause allergic responses or other health problems. Identifying authentic Tunisian olive oil entails looking for certificates and being aware of very cheap alternatives. 5th. Egypt. Egypt has actively joined the olive oil industry, greatly increasing its production capacity. However, this quick development has presented quality control issues. About 20% of Egyptian olive oil includes additives or is blended with other vegetable oils. Some have identified chemical solvents, which pose serious health dangers such as liver damage. In the absence of strong quality standards, it is critical to choose well-known companies that provide clarity about their processing procedures.
6. Olive oil fraud in Turkey. Turkey, known for its rich agricultural heritage and centuries-old olive oil production, has immense potential in producing high-quality olive oil. However, the lower-priced segment of Turkish olive oils has been plagued by issues of fraud and quality concerns. Research indicates that approximately 30% of olive oils marketed in Turkey are fraudulent. Common fraudulent practices include adulteration with cheaper oils. Olive oil is often blended with less expensive oils, such as sunflower, canola, or cottonseed oil, to reduce costs. Some fraudulent products include chemical preservatives to extend shelf life or enhance the oil's color and aroma artificially. Lower quality oils are mislabeled as extra virgin, deceiving consumers. Without international certifications like PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, identifying authentic oils can be challenging. Consuming adulterated olive oil poses significant health risks. Chemical additives and poor quality oil blends can lead to chronic inflammation, liver damage, and other long-term health issues. Authentic extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. Fraudulent oils lack these beneficial compounds, depriving consumers of the health benefits they expect. The prevalence of fraud damages the reputation of Turkish olive oil in international markets, negatively impacting exports and the economy. Fraudulent products undercut genuine producers, reducing their competitiveness and harming small-scale farmers. To ensure you're purchasing authentic Turkish olive oil, consider the following. 1. Look for certified products. PDO or EU organic certifications help reduce the risk of fraud. 2. Buy from trusted brands and sources. Well-known and reputable brands are more likely to adhere to quality standards. 3. Choose oils with clear harvest and bottling dates, not just an expiration date. Opt for dark glass bottles. High-quality olive oil is typically sold in dark glass bottles to protect it from light damage. Be cautious with price. Genuine extra virgin olive oil generally costs at least 10 to 12 euros per liter, or equivalent in your local currency. Suspiciously cheap oils are likely to be adulterated. The Turkish Ministry of Agriculture is implementing stricter regulations and inspections to combat fraud in olive oil production. Turkish producers are increasingly adopting PDO and other certifications to strengthen their presence in global markets. Efforts are being made to educate consumers about olive oil fraud and how to identify genuine products. While Turkey's olive oil industry holds great potential, issues of fraud and quality control remain significant challenges. By supporting certified products and making informed choices, consumers can contribute to reducing fraud and supporting genuine producers. With ongoing efforts to tighten regulations and improve transparency, the Turkish olive oil sector has the opportunity to regain trust and thrive in both domestic and international markets. Third, United States. The United States is a newcomer to the olive oil industry, with California dominating in output. Despite its growing reputation for quality, around 25% of olive oil branded extra virgin in the U.S. market does not exceed international standards. Some companies confuse customers by blending olive oil with less expensive vegetable oils or lower quality olive oils. Always look for certification from organizations such as the California Olive Oil Council, COOC, to verify you're buying true extra virgin olive oil. Second, Italy. Italy is well known for its olive oil, which is frequently regarded the gold standard. However, it also suffers significant fraud difficulties. Approximately 30% of Italian olive oil on the worldwide market is counterfeit, frequently including a mix of lower-grade oils or cheaper vegetable oils. These goods have been discovered to contain high quantities of trans fats and other additives which pose major health hazards. To prevent counterfeit oils, search for the DOP, Denominazione di Origine Protetta, certification and buy from reliable stores. 1. Spain. Spain, the world's biggest producer of olive oil, has the most serious concerns with adulteration. An alarming 25% of Spanish olive oil, particularly in the cheap range, is contaminated. Unscrupulous makers often use cheaper vegetable oils, such as soybean or palm oil, into their goods, some of which may contain dangerous pesticides. These impurities not only impair the oil's quality, but they also offer serious health hazards, including hormone abnormalities and liver illness. To verify you're buying authentic Spanish olive oil, look for brands with PDO certification and avoid suspiciously low-cost variants. To protect yourself and your family, here are some important guidelines for recognizing real olive oil. When buying, search for bottles with valid certification stamps from reputable organizations. Legitimate extra virgin olive oil should always have harvest and bottling dates, not merely an expiry date. The container itself is important. High-quality makers often use dark glass bottles to shield the oil from light harm. A trustworthy bottle should also have a lot number that allows for tracking. The most modern manufacturers employ blockchain systems or QR codes to track the full supply chain. While these elements may seem extravagant, they are essential assurances of authenticity in today's market. Another key tip: pay attention to the pricing. Currently, normal extra virgin olive oil should cost between 10 and 12 euros per liter. If you discover it considerably cheaper, you should be highly cautious. Remember that manufacturing authentic olive oil needs significant resources and rigorous processing, which are reflected in the final price. When you bring your olive oil home, do a simple sensory test. Genuine olive oil should have a strong scent of fresh olives and a mild bitterness in the finish. If the odor is neutral or reminiscent of other vegetable oils, this is a warning indicator. Examine the texture as well. If it is very watery, it has most certainly been diluted. A simple yet effective test you may do at home is known as the fridge test. Pour your olive oil into a glass bottle and store it in the refrigerator at around 5 degrees Celsius. Genuine olive oil thickens and becomes foggy, whilst counterfeit oil remains liquid and transparent. The taste test is another trustworthy approach. Real extra virgin olive oil should have a tiny peppery taste at the back of your throat. This feeling is caused by beneficial substances known as polyphenols. If your olive oil tastes absolutely flat or like vegetable oil, it's a red sign. To be safe, I highly advise purchasing only from reputable brands or specialist retailers that can guarantee product quality. If feasible, seek for oils with protected designation of origin or protected geographical indication certificates. These certifications specify stringent controls and traceability criteria. Remember that pure olive oil may be more expensive, but it is an investment in your health. Real extra virgin olive oil contains healthy chemicals such as polyphenols and antioxidants, which may help protect against a variety of ailments. Fake oils not only do not provide these advantages, but they may also hurt your health. Keep in mind that the olive oil industry is attempting to address these concerns. New technologies, such as blockchain monitoring and DNA testing, are being developed to assure authenticity. Support these efforts by purchasing approved goods and reporting any suspect oils to your local food safety authorities.
Now, I'm about to reveal a big secret about the miracle of olive oil. Would you like to learn how to test if your extra virgin olive oil is truly natural and pure? This method has been used by Mediterranean olive oil producers for generations and is trusted for its reliability. It's also a technique I've personally applied for years with excellent results. Let's dive in. Yes. How to test the purity of olive oil. 1. Smell the olive oil. When you open the bottle, you should notice a light floral and natural aroma. This fragrance is a key indicator of pure and unadulterated olive oil. 2. Perform a taste test. Take a tablespoon of olive oil into your mouth while sitting comfortably. Swirl it around as if you're gargling and let it coat your palate. 3. Pay attention to the sensation in your throat. Within a few seconds, if you feel a slight tickle, cough, or a mild burning sensation in your throat, congratulations! You are consuming real, natural olive oil. This simple yet effective test allows you to bring only natural and unadulterated olive oil to your table, ensuring both your health and the pleasure of enjoying a high-quality flavor. Give it a try and experience the true miracle of olive oil.